All right, so you're tired of having dusty chalk when you're out climbing. This is an awesome opportunity to take your regular chalk and turn it into liquid chalk. So the way you do it is you'll need a container. You'll need some isopropyl alcohol. I like the 91%. You'll need some scents. I use these guys. And you'll need some chalk. Any chalk that you like will work just perfectly for this. So I got my container here. I just put it in this little plastic cup because it's easier to keep the mess down. And then throw a funnel in it, and here's my chalk. It works best if you have some kind of tool like this guy right here to like help it work down. So once you have your chalk filled up to about this level, you're all set to add your alcohol. A funnel again, and then what I do is I add enough alcohol that it will go up to the level of the chalk. So we just let it go in this funnel here, a little at a time. So it takes a little bit to like saturate this guy. But if you're patient, it turns out to be a nice, smooth product. At this point, I add in some scent, and since extract is mostly alcohol, it works out perfectly. This one's going to be coconut, so I just add some coconut. I'm thinking about a teaspoon, maybe a little bit more. And then we just move on to the next step, which is really simple. All you do is close up your lid and give it a good shake. This keeps it really smooth when you combine it this way, because you are just a little bit at a time adding your alcohol to your chalk. And then what you'll notice is the ratio is about 1-to-1 alcohol to chalk. That includes your smell.